Need extra cash? User testing might be the answer. It's a platform where you get paid to test websites and apps. Companies want to know how real people experience their products. That's where you come in. By providing feedback, you help them improve. Plus, you earn money in your spare time. It's a win-win. User testing is great for anyone who wants to make money online. You don't need special skills. Just share your honest opinions. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra income, user testing is worth checking out. It's simple, flexible, and rewarding. User testing is all about providing feedback. Companies create tests to see how users interact with their websites and apps. They want to know what's working well and what needs improvement. Here's how it works. You sign up for user testing and create a profile. Then you browse available tests. Each test has specific requirements. You might need to use a certain device or fit a particular demographic. If you qualify for a test, you complete a series of tasks. This could involve navigating a website, using an app, or answering questions. While you're testing, you share your thoughts out loud. This recorded feedback is invaluable to companies. After you finish a test, user testing reviews your feedback. Once approved, you get paid. It's that simple. You get to try new products, share your opinions, and earn money. It's a fun and flexible way to boost your income. Ready to start earning with user testing? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Sign up. Go to the user testing website and create a free account. You'll need to provide some basic information and complete a short sample test. 2. Take sample tests. The sample test helps user testing assess your feedback quality. It simulates a real test so you can get comfortable with the platform. 3. Browse and qualify for tests. Once you're approved, you can start browsing available tests. Each test has a description and requirements. Make sure you meet the criteria before applying. 4. Complete tests and provide feedback. If you're selected for a test, follow the instructions carefully. Complete all tasks and provide your honest feedback. Speak your thoughts out loud so your feedback is captured. 5. Get paid. After completing a test, user testing reviews your feedback. Once approved, you'll receive payment through PayPal. Payments are typically processed within a week. Section 4. Test like a pro tips for maximum earnings. Want to maximize your user testing earnings? Here are some expert tips. Complete your profile. A detailed profile helps you qualify for more tests. Highlight your skills, interests, and demographics. Check your email regularly. User testing sends out notifications for new tests. Respond quickly to increase your chances of getting selected. Provide high-quality feedback. Speak clearly and concisely. Explain your thought process and provide specific examples. The better your feedback, the more likely you are to get invited back for more tests. Be honest and objective. Share your genuine opinions, even if they're negative. Companies value honest feedback, both positive and negative. Be patient and persistent. It might take some time to get your first few tests. Don't get discouraged. Keep applying and providing great feedback, and you'll start seeing results. Section 5. Real people, real money success stories with user testing. Don't just take our word for it. Here are real-life examples of people earning money with user testing. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, says, "User testing has been a lifesaver. I can earn extra money from home while my kids are at school. It's flexible and fits perfectly into my schedule." John, a college student, shares, "I use user testing to supplement my income and pay for textbooks. It's a fun and easy way to make money in my spare time." These are just a few examples of the many people who are successfully earning money with user testing. If they can do it, you can too. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Sign up for user testing today and start getting paid for your opinions.